Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character chǎn. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write chǎn. Chǎn, to give birth. Product. Property. For example, 房产. Fáng, chǎn, real estate. Date. Now check this sentence. Why should we invest in the real estate market? Why should we invest in the real estate market?我们为什么要投资房产市场呢？我们为什么？Why should we 要投资 invest 房产市场 real estate market 房产市场呢？我们为什么要投资房产市场呢？Why should we invest in the real estate market? 我们为什么要投资房产市场呢？ My casual handwriting on the character 产. Chǎn, to give birth. Product. 房产 real estate. Why should we invest in the real estate market? 我们为什么要投资房产市场呢？chǎn. Please comment any sentence with the character chǎn. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.